Hello, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have some Valentine's Day cards for you, but you can use them for anything you want. As you can see, the one to the left says prayers. You'll need this Hero Arts Heart Confetti fancy die and some mirror cardstock. I also am using some purple glitter paper and some red foil paper, which I purchased at the local dollar store. So you can get those probably at Amazon or Walmart or your local discount store. So I'm just going to adhere this glitter paper on top of the red foil, and before I did that I did knock off some of those, I knocked out some of those hearts so you could see that red foil through it. Unfortunately, you can see here that when I put it down on the foil, some of that adhesive is peeking through. So I'm just using that We Are Memory Keepers brad setter and piercing tool there to push that behind and pull it down with my finger so you can't see it once it's adhered to the red foil. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music for you while you're watching me make these two cards. I hope you'll give them a try, and I hope you have some fun today. And thank you for watching. I hope you'll like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.